Hello, doers, and welcome back. My name is Jose Ignacio. Visual content plays a huge role across many workflows. Whether you're creating product images, building website pages, preparing marketing campaigns, or documenting processes. In Odoo 19.3, AI image generation is integrated directly into these workflows, allowing you to create visuals without leaving the platform. In this tutorial, we're going to explore two ways to generate images with AI in Odoo and learn a few prompt writing tips to produce stronger results. So let's get started. Now, before generating images, it's helpful to understand how image generation works in Odoo. Image generation is available directly within supported image fields and editors across the platform. Behind the scenes, image generation is powered by Odoo Image Generation Agent, or the Generate Image topic, which interprets prompts and generates visuals according to built-in generation rules. There are a few important behaviors to keep in mind before getting started. First, generated images do not include visible text, labels, logos, or branding elements by default. If those elements are important for your use case, they must be explicitly requested in your prompt. Second, prompt quality directly affects image quality. More descriptive prompts generally lead to more accurate and consistent results because they provide additional context for the generation process. So, with that understanding in place, let's generate our first image. We are going to start in the AI app, and then we're going to select the Odoo Image Generation Agent. So this conversation window is where prompts are entered and images are generated. Remember, we learned that more descriptive prompts result in better images. So instead of just typing something in like office chair here, I'm going to add some detail. All right, so this is what I've pasted in, and it sounds pretty good, right? So this prompt gives the AI more context about the subject, environment, and presentation style, which often results in stronger outputs. Now, we just need to give it a few seconds to fully load this out and bring back an image. You can't rush these things, you know? And voila, looks pretty good, right? Now, if I hover this image, you'll notice that I have the option to download it if I would like to, or also just straight up remove it. And if, let's say, I don't like the result, I can also hit this nice little try again option right there. I could also enter a new or updated prompt and try that way again. However, this is exactly what I was looking for, so I'm going to keep it. So now that we've generated an image from the AI app, let's look at how to create images directly while building website content. So I'm actually going to head on over to the website application over here. All right, perfect. Okay, so I want to update this image, actually. We're just going to do that one to something that fits our brand better. So we're going to click our edit in the top right corner. And once that I open the edit menu, I just need to double click the image over here. Perfect. And once that we're ready to update this. We have a nice little new pop-up right here. All right, so this is the select a media pop-up. Here, I can click this AI icon, and would you look at that? Now we're going to have a nice new conversation window. And in this one, this time around, I want an image that fits our brand. So I'm going to write a prompt that's going to reflect this. Okay, so for this one, I should have had this immediately prepared for you all, so I am copying and pasting it immediately. Thank you for bearing with me. All right, there we go. Great. So this should be more than enough information. And once that it's ready and it's got a nice little image for us and it's ready to go, we should be feeling pretty good about this. All right, great. Now, I want to make a quick note about this. Once that the image is loaded right there, the agent may ask what I think and if I want to make any changes. But for now, in this case, I'm not really going to think about that. I'm not that creative. I'm going to stick with this one. But it is nice to know that it is open to feedback, right? Since I want to use this image, I'm going to hover over it and I'm going to just hit this nice little use this button right there. All right, great. Once that you did that, you give it a little bit to load and it's going to put the image right where you wanted it. And isn't that perfect? All right, Odooers, there you have it. We use the Odoo image generation agent to create images directly from prompts, generated visuals while editing web pages, and reviewed prompt writing strategies that improve image quality. With these workflows, AI generated visuals can become part of everyday processes across product management, website creation, marketing activities, and other business workflows. Until next time, Odooers, Please generate responsibly and go grab a snack.